Welcome to the life of a brick, from factory to your home. Today we'll explore the fascinating journey of this fundamental building material. Often overlooked, the humble brick plays a crucial role in shaping our world, from towering structures to cozy homes. Let's uncover its story. It all begins with raw materials. Clay, shale, and water are carefully sourced, forming the very essence of a brick. These materials are then molded or extruded into the familiar brick shape, a precise process that ensures uniformity and strength. Next, the bricks undergo a crucial drying process, where moisture is removed, either naturally or in controlled kilns, preparing them for the next stage. The bricks are then fired in massive kilns at incredibly high temperatures, a process that gives them their enduring strength and durability. Before leaving the factory, each brick undergoes rigorous quality control, ensuring every single one meets the highest standards. Once perfected, the bricks are carefully packaged and distributed, making their way to suppliers and construction sites around the world. On the construction site, skilled masons meticulously lay each brick, transforming them into walls and structures, piece by painstaking piece. And finally, the brick becomes a part of your home, a testament to its journey from raw material to a finished, beautiful structure. From its humble beginnings to becoming a part of your daily life, the brick's enduring legacy continues to shape our built environment.